Shanghai Temax Trade Company Limited was established in 2008 and is a professional supplier engaged in the research and development, sales, and service of cabinet hinges, drawer slides, cabinet supports, sliding door rollers, furniture handles, push-open latches, etc. Located in Shanghai, this location provides convenient transportation and export-friendly policies. With our own quality control team, we are dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Every stage of your order is carefully monitored. All our products adhere to international quality standards and can be validated with relevant certifications. With a global sales network, 90% of our annual sales come from overseas markets such as the United States, the United Kingdom, Spain, Russia, Germany, Portugal, Brazil, Colombia, Chile, Israel, Turkey, and more. With extensive industry experience, our knowledgeable staff understand your needs. We actively participate in exhibitions like Canton Fair, Interzum Fair, and international exhibitions in Germany, Turkey, Brazil, and the United States, providing us with the latest market insights to share with you. With a range of hundreds of furniture hardware accessories, we offer a one-stop solution, saving you time from dealing with multiple suppliers. This allows us to serve various business types, including furniture factories, distributors, wholesalers, supermarkets, and project businesses. Importantly, we have our own research and development team. Annually, we introduce over 10 upgraded products to the market, with strong manufacturing support from our specialized partner factory equipped with advanced stamping, plastic molding, alloy casting, and aluminum processing technologies. We welcome your customized OEM and ODM orders.